Welcome back to this unexpected and hopefully very short impromptu unboxing video. Yeah, Amazon, of course. We'll have a look at the Amazon listing at the very end. And okay, that's completely new kind of Amazon packaging, at least to me. And it contains, let me turn the camera around. Well, I didn't turn the camera around, just the box. So we have here a double action air pump from High Peak. Same here on that side, and it's at least from a company, German company, but of course you can't read it here, but it says made in China, and it's a double action pump. And maybe we zoom down on that in a second and on that, but I think this is just the same in different languages. So we will concentrate on the English text. Is that still in focus? Yeah, good enough. So here the pump again, and here is nothing. All sides of the box, and there is just a little bit of Scotch tape here at the side. And there we have the the pump. I probably will zoom down for the get another perspective for the details. And yeah, there is no paperwork inside here, that's all. But before the closer look at the pump, here the English text. So double action air pump, dual action, continuous stream on both up and down strokes. Important. Simple push-in hose to pump connection inflates or deflates. Equipped with different adapter nozzles for all valve sizes. Capacity 2 times 2 liters or 2 times 2 liters per minute. Well, I guess that depends on how fast you're pumping. According to a European norm 16051-2 from 2012. So there is a European norm for measuring the capacity of air pumps. That's good to know. But wait, there's more information here. So yeah, a double action pump, high performance, inflates in half of the time compared with standard piston pumps, because yeah, it's double action. The pump European norm, the stroke capacity 2 liters, we already had that. Nominal pressure up to 0.3 bars. Okay, that's okay, I guess. For inflating and deflating of inflatable boats, air mattresses, and swimming stuff. For inflation, deflation, we already saw that. For inflation, connect tube with adapters to the connector on the hand grip marked with inflate. Oh, for deflation, use the connector marked with deflate. Great. Okay, I'm on the floor again, and the reason being, so I can show you how much actually the rod extends. So that's quite some distance. Maybe, just maybe, I should actually measure that, huh? So the stroke is actually 26 centimeters, and yeah, I already took into account that it's not completely going in here. There's still 1.5 centimeter left, which it could go, but it doesn't. Anyways, it comes with a 130 centimeter, yeah, I measured that off camera, hose with 4 nozzles attached, and they are bundled together here via a little rubber band. Nice detail, so they can't get lost. Before we have a detailed look at the nozzles and the head here with all the valves, one little remark. I bought this pump to replace that air pump, which came with a Chinese inflatable boat. Unboxing and inflating of that with that pump now. Card here, link in the description. And you see that pump, that's why I'm pointing out that this thing here, this monstrosity, that's also available, standalone on Amazon for about 10 euros. But that's, 10 euros burnt down the drain because, after 5 minutes of pumping, that came apart. And it's also only single stroke and maybe has only half the volume. That pump costs aboutish twice as much, I think 20 euros, but it has double the volume and it's double action. And if you just compare, the mechanical setup between the strength between these parts here, it's clear. Don't buy that pump if you see it on Amazon. It's a waste of money and it won't last 5 minutes. Anyways, as I said, you can see both pumps and the death of that one in action in the other video. But now let's have a detailed look at the valves here. So as mentioned in the documentation, we have two labels here, inflate and deflate, okay? And you simply switch around by, disconnecting that block, which contains obviously two valves too, to the other side, okay? Maybe. And here I run into the first problems. So now I got it. Okay, it's workable. Takes a little bit of force, but it's okay. But I need it later on to inflate, so I put it back on the other side. Okay, maybe with the valve down. And the four nozzles on the hose. You get a very small one, a small one, a medium, still small one. I mean, that stuff is probably for air mattress also. And that one, which at least fits perfectly for the main chambers of my inflatable boat. So here's the Amazon listing for the High-Peak 49702 double, double action, and it costs 15 euros. I thought it was about 20 euros, but maybe that was almost 20 euros with shipping. I have no idea. Anyways, if you want to see that thing in action, inflating that inflatable boat here, watch the other video. I already carded it. Again, link in the description. Till next time, bye.